Meaning of dissenting.
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 Dissenting. Dissenting refers to the expression of a disagreement or opposition to a prevailing idea, policy, or decision. It is a form of nonconformity, whereby an individual or group voices their disagreement with the majority opinion. Dissenting can take many forms, including verbal or written objections, protests, and legal challenges. The result of dissenting can be significant as it may lead to change, reform, or compromise. However, it can also result in conflict, exclusion, or persecution of dissenters by those in power. Ultimately, dissenting plays a crucial role in promoting democracy, transparency, and social progress.